Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Muhammad from Islamabad, Pakistan. The black market in hair restoration field is affecting the hair loss patients like a storm. What the patients must understand is that it's a once in a lifetime chance, so they should get it right for the first time. This black market has basically three main potential aspects. The first and the commonest is the technicians performing the surgeries. The second one is the untrained physicians performing surgeries. The third point, which is increasing, and it is the regenerative medicine, which is used by untrained, unqualified people, and they are also using certain unapproved procedures. I must congratulate ISHRS for being the first society to raise a collective voice to educate and warn the patients against these black market hair transplant clinics. Although hair transplant surgery is a teamwork surgery, but there are certain key points which have to be performed by the surgeon. These include hairline designing, strip harvesting and closure, extracting the hair during FUE, and to make recipient sites for the grafts placement. I take the ISHRS pledge to inform the patients to know about their operating surgeon. And as being a member of Hair Restoration Society of Pakistan, we are trying hard to educate the patients about the different options of hair restoration and also trying to educate the patients and the general public regarding FUT, the strip surgery, and FUE. And because of these technicians performing surgeries, we are seeing a lot of complications nowadays. They have donor depletion, they have white scars on the donor areas.